not brush your teeth for
105 years! Oh my god, your arms are literally disgusting! And now moving this, what is this? Mixed berry Skittles, that's
Anyways, let me calm down just a little bit. Who cares if you like mixed berry Skittles? I personally like sour Skittles, but that doesn't matter. You just have inferior taste. Anyways, the mixed berry Skittles. I'm so sorry about that. The dentricism just got here. He did a dentricis and
expelled all the demons out of the dentist's office!
anyways, I just politely removed that bacteria.
And these maggots, let me get the maggots out of your mouth!
Okay, there we go. Now I can...
Is this mulberry peanut butter jelly sandwich? Ew! You're actually just the most disgusting patient ever!
Anyways, I really have to consider taking those anger management classes. Anyways,
is this cheddar cheese from your Lunchable? That's disgusting! I didn't know old people ate Lunchables. They're only like 100 years too old to eat it. Oh my god, it's not coming out! This cheese is really in there! And let me tell you, my dentist office is never gonna smell the same. Your brother's worse than